Your car isn't just a mode of transportation. It's a statement of who you are. Every curve, every detail, every gleam is a testament to your success and your refined taste. But life happens. Stone chips, scratches. UV rays and environmental wear can take a toll on your car's flawless finish. At Automotive Protection Services in Fairfax, Virginia, we offer state-of-the-art paint protection film designed to shield your vehicle's paint from damage. This clear, virtually invisible layer acts as your car's armor, preserving its beauty and protecting its value. Repainting your car isn't just costly, it can diminish its value. With paint protection film, you'll avoid the hassle and maintain the original factory-fresh look of your vehicle. Choose a tailored solution to protect the most vulnerable areas of your vehicle, or go for full-body coverage to ensure every inch is safeguarded. Our custom-fit applications are designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. With expert installation and a 10-year warranty, you can trust our team to deliver results that last, just like your car deserves. Keep your car looking as exceptional as the day you bought it. Protect your investment with paint protection film from Automotive Protection Services. Schedule your appointment today. Because excellence demands protection.